with eyes gently closed, seated in a comfortable seated posture. Try to slowly withdraw your mind to take awareness on the thoracic area, the lungs, the heart, from the collarbones till the diaphragm. Start filling the entire area with inhalations and exhalations as you empty the area. आंखें बंद रखें, अपने सांस पर सांस पे ध्यान दें और उसके बाद भस्त्रिका की प्रक्रिया शुरू करने के लिए सांस लेकर अपने फेफड़ों को भरे, सांस छोड़ते हुए उसे खाली, बिल्कुल खाली करें. Continue. Full lungs, empty lungs. Very consciously, actually visualizing the inhalation and the journey of the oxygenated air. Pick up speed to do Bhastrika. Very good. Inhale, exhale. Full lungs, empty lungs. सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए. फेफड़ों को भरे, फेफड़ों को छोड़े. Do the same with alternate nostrils now. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra, where the index finger and the middle finger is inside the palm. Thumb, ring finger, little finger are out. Full lungs, empty lungs, full lungs, empty lungs. Lungs should be so full that its oxygenated air should reach the whole body. Now 11, 11 in each nostril. हर एक नासिका में 11, 11 करें. As soon as you finish 11, change. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Discontinue the practice. Bring the hand down to practice Swara Yoga. Watch your breath. Stay very steady. Consciously take awareness of cool air going into the nostrils and warm air coming out. अपनी सांस पर सांस पे ध्यान दे. सांस अंदर जा रही है, सांस बाहर आ रही है. The morning energizer, Bhastrika, to fill and empty the lungs, to oxygenate them so that it oxygenates the heart, and so that through the respiratory system the heart oxygenates every tendon, ligament, bone, joint, muscle, nerve, to increase and to keep stable the bone density, so that we address reversing any problems which may be associated with the respiratory, the circulatory, the endocrine, the excretory, the nervous, the muscular, the reproductive, every system. Coming into a gentle smile, चेहरे पे एक हल्की सी मुस्कान. Bring the heavens down now to make your shield, your kavach, in Kapalbhati exhalations. If it's the first time you're doing Kapalbhati, if you've not been a regular practitioner, do alternate nostrils, exhalation. If you've been a regular practitioner, bring the heavens down, making your kavach, your shield. Active exhalation, pull the abdomen in. Now diagonal. Up, down. Diagonal. Twist. Double twist, which means shoulders twisted, head twisted, other side. Continue. Full power. Correct. Again, bring the heavens down. Make your shield, your kavach. Diagonal now. Excellent. Discontinue the practice. Discontinue. Watch your breath. Watch your breath. Make sure you don't miss out on awareness on a single breath. एक एक सांस पे ध्यान दीजिए. सांस अंदर जा रही है, सांस बाहर आ रही है. Watch the change in temperatures. Watch the journey traveled.